This is my dill bed. Nothing but dill. I love it. I've just been throwing seed from previous seasons here. Well, this is what I did this year. I threw it from here. So it started in that pot and it went to seed. And then I threw some seeds here. Last year, there was a few plants and then I threw the seeds again. So this is the third season and I love it. This dill's amazing. I need to dry it. If you have any tips, please let me know. But today, I'm gonna go ahead and drop some seeds and see if I have any luck with growing some collard greens, some carrots, and spinach. These are all from Cali Kim. I got her fall seed mixture maybe last year or 2 years ago. And I've just been using these seeds. I haven't planted them yet. So I've found a really nice plot of soil here. There's worms. I grew tomatoes and eggplant last year. And I just covered it up with the leaves from the neighbors blow in and, you know, grass clippings and all kinds of things. So it's made a really nice bed here. The soil's really good. So I am going to plant these seeds here, cover them up, tuck them in real nice, and then hopefully we'll get some greens, some spinach, and some carrots. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and just gonna give it a nice little stir. Too much, but that's really good soil in there. I've been working on this bed for about 4 years, and the previous owners had been working on this bed too. So it's really good soil, lots of life, and I've been able to grow anything here. So I'm gonna keep going. So let's go ahead and start with the spinach. Oh, look at this. I'm doing this one-handed, so. Gives you a good amount of seeds. I don't tend to seed aggressively, but I think I will. Planted. I got the collard greens planted. I just brought out this Brussels sprout, so we'll see how she does. And I'm gonna go ahead and drop some carrot seeds in right now. I'm just gonna give it a generous sprinkling. Hope for the best. I'm gonna go ahead and bring in my eggshells, so the slugs don't come for my stuff. There we go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cover her up with mulch. The sprinklers are coming on in about an hour. I'll probably come with like a little worm tea or something. Give it a nice boost, and that's about it. There we go. Take this out of there. Okay. We'll see what happens now, won't we? All right. Thanks for watching. Come on back. Bye-bye.